If you want to enable or disable the remote lock on POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, we need to scroll down. And if you have security and privacy, then you want to go over here. And then you can choose device finders, open the Find Hub, and then over here you should be able to find remote lock, which can be enabled and disabled, and you can also find out how it works and what you need to keep in mind. You can also go to device unlock instead and then choose theft protection, and here we can also find the remote lock. However, there is a chance that you will not find security and privacy in settings on your phone. So in that case, what you need to do is once you open settings, you want to go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then over here, you want to proceed to privacy, then more security settings. Then over here, choose theft protection. And then in here, we have the remote lock. So as you can see, you might have one or the other way to access the remote lock. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.